So you're working in Blender, and then this happens. But if this hasn't happened to you before, well, chances are you probably haven't been blending long enough. See, it's not a critical error, but for some people, it feels like a total shakeup, like their project just got tossed into a blender. The truth is, it's an easy fix. But if you don't know it, you might think you have to start all over again. So for those of you who've blended long enough to know the pain of Blender crashing, here's how you can pick up right where you left off. First, you'll want to adjust your autosave settings. Head over to Edit, Preferences, Save and Load. Under Autosave, you'll see the interval. Mine is set to 20 minutes, but if you want to play it safe, you can drop that down to 5 minutes. That way, Blender will autosave your project every 5 minutes. Now here's the real question. Where does Blender actually save these files? A lot of people don't know this, so let me show you. Open your File Explorer and head to your local disk, Users, your PC name. For me, it's Legion 5 Pro, but yours might be different. Could be an HP, a Dell, whatever your machine is called. Next, go into the AppDeedle folder. By default, it's hidden, so if you don't see it, click on View, Show, Hidden Items. Once that's visible, head into Local, Temp. Scroll down, and you'll find a list of .blend files labeled as autosave. These are your backup files. Just open one, and you'll be right back to where you left off. No need to start over. So if Blender crashes on you, don't panic. Stop stressing, keep blending, and let autosave do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you save your work and your sanity. See you in the next one.